Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make mushroom soup without mushrooms. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need a good vegetable broth, some onions, garlic, and celery. The key is to build a strong umami base using ingredients like soy sauce or miso paste. Sauté your aromatics until softened, then add your broth. This initial step sets the foundation for a deeply flavorful soup, mimicking the richness typically found in mushroom varieties. Remember, patience in sautéing brings out the best flavors. To truly capture that earthy, umami essence without actual mushrooms, consider a few tricks. After your broth simmers, add a small amount of dried shiitake mushrooms to steep for about 15 minutes, then remove them before blending. This infuses a subtle, mushroom-like aroma. Nutritional yeast also provides a fantastic cheesy, savory depth. A dash of balsamic vinegar can further enhance the overall richness, creating a complex flavor profile that will surprise your taste buds. Once your soup has simmered and developed its flavors, it's time to achieve that classic creamy texture. Carefully blend about 1/3 of the soup using an immersion blender or transfer it to a regular blender, then return it to the pot. This creates a lovely thickness without needing a roux. Stir in a 1/2 cup of heavy cream or a dairy-free alternative like coconut milk for extra richness. Season with salt and pepper to taste, ensuring a perfectly balanced finish. Your delicious mushroom-free soup is now ready to enjoy. Ladle it into bowls and garnish with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or chives for a touch of color and freshness. This soup pairs wonderfully with a slice of crusty bread for dipping or a simple green salad for a complete meal. It's a fantastic option for those avoiding mushrooms, but still craving that comforting, savory flavor. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your home sparkling clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.